Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can uninstall cPanel, so let's get right into it. Now, to completely remove it, it is a bit difficult if you want to keep all of your data, or rather, it is pretty much impossible considering the complexity of cPanel and how pretty much baked into the server where you installed it is. So yeah, it's not quite possible without actually damaging any other data and any other programs you might have on your drive. Now, if you wish to just reset it into its original state, where it was when you first installed it, that's a bit easier. You just have to remove all the data in cPanel through cPanel. I do have another tutorial on that. However, if you do wish to actually uninstall the software, you are going to need to reformat the server. To remove it completely, a reformat of the server is 100% required. And to perform a new installation, of course, you need to create a new operating system or just install another operating system as well freshly, so that you are able to do it without any complications, without any corruption, without any well, pretty much, yeah, complications or errors. You're going to need to completely reformat the server and install a fresh install of the OS that you wish to use to control cPanel. And yeah, that is pretty much all there is to it. There's really nothing else you can do except to reformat the server. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.